functions. If two functions f of x and g of x are multiplied, it produces another function which is called product of functions. In formula form, it is illustrated as the quantity of f dot g of x is equal to f of x dot g of x. Ang ibig sabihin ng tuldok is multiplication. Sa ibang sources, makikita natin siya as asterisk. Either way, kung siya man ay period or asterisk, ang process pa rin is multiplication. Ibig sabihin, f of x times g of x. Let's have example for this operation. Example number 4. Let the first function f of x is equal to x squared plus x, and the second function g of x is equal to 1 over x. Solve for f dot g of x. Remember the formula? F times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Ang ating f of x is x squared plus x. Ang ating namang g of x is 1 over x. Ang process natin ay multiplication, kaya ang gagawin natin is pwedeng mag-start muna tayo dito. X squared times 1 over x. The answer is x squared over x. And then x times 1 over x. The answer is x over x. Or pwedeng mag-start tayo dito. 1 over x times x squared. The answer is x squared over x. And then 1 over x times x. The answer is x over x. Either way, ang magiging sagot is x squared over x plus x over x. And then saka natin isi-simplify further. Ito ay x squared divided by x. The answer is x. And then x divided by x is 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is the answer for f times g of x. Let's have additional example. Example number 5. Let the first function f of x is equal to x plus 2, and the second function g of x is equal to x minus 3. Solve for f times g of x. Remember the formula of f times g of x? That is f of x times g of x. Ang ating f of x is x plus 2. Ang ating g of x naman ay x minus 3. Dahil ito ay dalawang binomial na i-multiply, pwede nating i-apply dito yung FOIL method. X times x is x squared. Then x times negative 3 is negative 3x. And then inner, positive 2 times x is positive 2x. Then positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Then, saka natin siya isimplify. Ang x squared ay nagsosolo lang, kaya siya as is na x squared. Ang negative 3x at 2x ay pwede natin i-combine. The answer is negative 1x or negative x na lang. Then, minus 6. X squared minus x minus 6 is the answer for f times g of x. Let's have one more example. Example number 6. Let the first function f of x is equal to x squared minus 9 all over x plus 1, and the second function g of x is equal to 1 over x minus 3. Solve for f times g of x. Remember the formula? F times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Ang ating f of x is x squared minus 9 all over x plus 1. And ang ating g of x is 1 over x minus 3. Dahil ito ay multiplication ng fractions, pwede natin i-apply yung numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Ang x squared minus 9 times 1 is x squared minus 9. And then x plus 1 times x minus 3. The answer is x squared minus 9 all over the quantity of x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 3. And then, i-analyze natin kung pwede pa natin ito ma-simplify. Remember na ang x squared minus 9 is factorable by x plus 3 and x minus 3. So, gawin natin siya. X plus 3 times x minus 3 all over x plus 1 times x minus 3. Makikita natin na meron tayong common factor na pwede natin i-divide, which is x minus 3. Kaya, ang matitira na lang is x plus 3 over x plus 1. And that is the answer for our f times g of x.